Good morning, students. The exercise 5.3, question number 3rd. We have done some questions. Question number 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and 4th. These questions we already completed. Continuation of these, we will do the question number 5th, 6th, and other remaining. I will give you the PDF so you can do these. Okay, so we will do the start this first. We will do question number 5th. In 5th question, D is 5, S 9 is 75, and you have to find A and A9. Ninth term and the first term you have to find. So how we can do? Look here. S 9 is given to you 75. Here Sn formula we know already. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This formula is given, and here d is given to you. N is given to you. N is 9. N is what is? N is 9 is given to you, and A you have to find. So look here. First you will put in this formula. You will all this N equal to 9 and D equal to 5. So what you get? 9 by 2, 2A plus 9 minus 1, and D is 5, and equal to 75 already given. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into 5 is 40. So you get it's 40. 9 upon 2, 2a plus 40 equal to 75 you get. Now this 9 by 2 you will transfer to right hand side. You have to reciprocal, so you get here 2 by 9. Now look here, this 75 and 9 you can cancel by 3. So you will 25 you get. 25 into 2 is 50, and 50 upon 3 you get this 2a plus 40 equal to 50 by 3. Now 40 you transfer, so 2a equal to 50 by 3 minus 40. Now you take LCM. LCM is 3, so 50 into 1 is 50, and 40 into 3 you have to do, that is minus 120. So you will subtract 50 minus 120, you will get minus 70 upon 3. Now 2a equal to you get minus 70 upon 3 means 2 also you transfer. 2 you transfer means you get 1 upon 2. So you will cancel this 70 by 2, you will get 35. So you get A equal to minus 35 by 3. Then what we have to find? We have to find A9. So what do we get? A9. A9 equal to A plus n minus 1d. Here A9 we have to find. So A we know already. A is what is? A equal to, we have minus 35 by 3 already we get, and this D we have here 5, and n means 9, means A9 means n is 9. So all this value we will put here. We get here A9 equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 and into 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into 5 is 40. Now you take LCM. LCM is 3. So you get minus 35 plus 120 upon 3. 120 minus 35 you will get 85 upon 3. So A9 what we get? A9 equal to 85 upon 3. So these two are the answer. A equal to minus 35 by 3 and A9 equal to 85 by 3. These are the answers. We have to do the question number 6. Here A is given to you 2, D is given to you 8, and Sn is given to you 90. So look here, you will write first of all Sn equal to 90. Sn formula we know already, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d equal to 90. Here A is given to you 2 and D is given to you 8. So A and D you have to put the value. A equal to 2 and D, place of D you put 8 and n as it is. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, then n minus 1 into 8. Look here, you can take common, this 2 you can take common. Look here, from these 2 you can take common, that 2 you will cut by this 2. So you get n, and here is 2 and here is 4 remaining. So 4n minus 1 you multiply, you get 4n minus 4 equal to 90. Look here all of you, here we get n bracket 2 plus 4n minus 4 equal to 90. Look here, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So next term will be n 4n minus 2 equal to 90. Now you open this bracket, you get 4n square minus 2n, and this 90 you transfer to left hand side, so you get minus 90. Look here, all these terms can be divided by 2. So you will divide these terms by 2. So what we get, look here, when you divide by 2, you get 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Now you have to do the middle term splitting. Multiply then 90 and subtract then 1. So you get here minus 10 and plus 9. Minus 10 and plus 9 is minus 1, and minus 10 and 9 you multiply, you get minus 90. So you have these middle term splitting, 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. From first and second you take common 2n, remaining will be n minus 5, and from the third and fourth you take common 9. So here also you get n minus 5. This type step, 2n bracket n minus 5 plus 9 bracket n minus 5 equal to 0, and n minus 5 is again common we have. So n minus 5 you take common, so remaining is 2n plus 9. Now each one you will do equal to 0. 2n plus 9 equal to 0 and n minus 5 equal to 0. If you do 2n plus 9 equal to 0, you will get n equal to minus 9 by 2. And if you do n minus 5 equal to 0, you get n equal to 5. Now n equal to negative is not valid. Okay, so n equal to 5 you will take the answer. So n equal to 5 is the answer. Now here we have to find here an also. So an we have to find here a5 also. a5 equal to a plus n minus 1d, place of n you put 5, place of a you put 2, and place of d you put 8. So here this 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is 32, 32 and plus 2 is 34. You have to find here an. An means value of n we have here 5. So you have to find here a5. So two answers are here, n equal to 5 and an equal to 34. We have to do the question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Here AP is given to you 9, 17 and 25, and here A is 9, D is 17 minus 9 is 8. So A you have, D you have, and Sn is given to you. This is Sn is 636. This is Sn. Now you have to find here n. How many terms means you have to find n. So how we can find, you can understand this. Look at Sn equal to 636. And Sn formula we know, Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d equal to 636. Now here place of a you put 9, place of d you put 8, and look here, you will multiply 2 into 9 is 18. So you have n by 2 18, and you open this bracket also, you get 8n minus 8 equal to 636. Look here, here 18 minus 8 is 10. 18 minus 8 is 10. Now 8n and we have plus 10. 8n plus 10 you take 2 common. 8n plus 10 we have to take 2 common. That 2 will cut by the outside this 2. So remaining is n, 4n plus 5 equal to 636 we get. Now you open the bracket, you get 4n square plus 5n. 636 you take in left hand side. So you get 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. Now look here, this is a very big numbers, so we will use here quadratic formula. So a equal to, we have here 4, b equal to 5, and c equal to minus 636. So we find this d first. D is b square minus 4ac. So you get d equal to, d we get here 10,201. And now what is the n will be? N will be minus b plus minus d upon 2a. Now here b is 5, so minus 5 plus minus 10,201 root upon 2 into 4. Now minus 5, and this square root of 10,201 is 101. So you will have minus 5 plus minus 101 upon 8. So you solve, you get minus 106 upon 8, that you can or you can write 96 upon 8. 96 upon 8 is 12, and negative is not valid, so n equal to 12 means here the number will be 12. Of 12 terms will be 636. We will do the next question is question number 9. If the sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49, sum of 7 term is 49 and sum of 17 term is 289. Find the sum of n term. Sum of n term you have to find. We will suppose that first term is A and D is the common difference. Now the question is given as 7 is 49. Sn formula you know, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, that is Sn formula. So here place of n you will put 7. Place of n what we put? 7. So n by 2 means 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1d equal to S7. S7 is 49 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So we get here 7 by 2, 2a plus 6d and equal to 49. Look here, from these two you can take 2 common and that 2 will be cancelled by the outside 2. So we have here 7 bracket a plus 3d equal to 49, and that 49 you can cancel by 7. So we will have here a plus 3d equal to 7. So what we get value of a equal to 7 minus 3d. Second is given to you 17 term. 17 term is 289. You will use this formula. Place of n you put 17. So you get here 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1d equal to 289. Now look here, the same process you will do. 17 by 2, 2a plus 16d equal to 289. 17 and 289 you can cancel, you get here 17, and 2a plus 16d you can divide by 2. So you get a plus 8d equal to 17. Now we know already a equal to 7 minus 3d. So place of a you put 7 minus 3d plus 8d equal to 17. 8d minus 3d is 5d, and 7 you transfer to right hand side, you get 17 minus 7 equal to 10. So 5d equal to 10 means d equal to we get 2. Now we have here value of d we get. So place of in equation 1, place of d you put value this 2, you will get value of a also. So a equal to 7 minus 3 into 2, that we get a equal to 1. Now look here, we will put in this formula, we will put a place of a we will put 1 and place of d we will put 2. So n by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. You open this bracket, you get here 2n minus 2. 2 and 2 cancel, we get n by 2, that is equal to n by 2 into 2 and 2 and 2 cancel, you get n square. So we get the sum of n term is n square. So hope you understand this. This is a very simple solution. We have to do question number 10. So that the a1, a2, an form an AP, where an is defined by this formula. An equal to 3 plus 4n and second an equal to 9 minus 5n. An equal to 9 minus 5n. Here actually these are two questions, and we will do these both questions. Look here. First question is an equal to 3 plus 4n. So here place of n you will put 1, then you will get a1. a1 means 3 plus 4 into 1 means 7 you get. a2 we will get 3 plus 4 into 2 means 11 we get. a3 means 3 plus 4 into 3 means 15 we get. Now you check the differences. a2 minus a1 you check. a2 minus a1 is 11 minus 7, that is 4, and a3 minus a2 also you check, that also we get 4. Means here common difference is 4, means this is an AP that we have to prove. So this sequence is in the form of AP. A equal to 7 and d equal to 4 and n equal to 15, means we have to find the sum of 15 term. So look here, as 15 Sn formula equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. We will put all these value, a equal to 7, d equal to 4 and n equal to 15. In this formula we put all this value 15 by 2, 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into 4 we get. Now we will solve these, we will get here 14 15 by 2, 14 plus 56, 15 plus 56 we will add, that we get 70, 17 you cancel by 2 you get 35. So 15 into 35 is 525. So sum of 15 term is 525. Same as it is we will do the second question, that is an equal to 9 minus 5n. Same as it is the second question, here also you put place of n equal to 1, you get 9 minus 5 into 1, that is 4. A2 equal to 9 minus 5 into 2, that is equal to minus 1. A3 is 9 minus 5 into 3, that is minus 6. Now you check A3, now you check A2 minus A1, that is minus 1, minus 4 equal to minus 5. Now you find A3 minus A2, that is also you get minus 5, means here D equal to minus 5, means this sequence is in the form of an AP. Now A equal to 4, D equal to minus 5 and n equal to 15, you will put in the Sn formula, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Here n equal to 15 you put, A equal to 4 you put, and n equal to 15 and d equal to minus 5 you put. So you get this 15 by 2 bracket 2 into 4 plus 15 minus 1 into minus 5. So 15 minus 1 is 14, 14 into minus 5 is minus 70 you get. So 15 by 2, 8 in, minus 70, 8 minus 70 is minus 62, minus 62 you cancel by 2 you get minus 31. So 15 into minus 31 is 465 you get. So hope you understand these, and some homework also I given, so you will do in your notebook.